Suppose you wanted to email a photo to someone, or put it in your PowerPoint presentation, or post it in your LMS course shell. Unfortunately, images take up a lot of space on your computer. For example, if your digital camera is configured to take 5.3 megapixel photos, and you want to put photos you took of your course's 2 textbooks on your course shell, that's 10 megabytes of data that you will have to upload, and your students will have to download. That's not all. When your photos are viewed, they will be so large on the screen as to force the student to scroll down a screen or two just to see the book's title. That's not good. So what is an instructor to do? Resize that image and make it smaller, that's what. The main concept to keep in mind when dealing with images is the number of pixels they contain. Since these pixels are in a rectangular grid with height and width, this is expressed using two numbers, such as 800 times 600, or 640 times 480. The first number indicates an image's width, while the second indicates the height. An 800 by 600 image is 800 pixels wide by 600 pixels tall. Your computer's monitor works the same way. If you right-click on your desktop and select Properties, and then click the Settings tab, you can see under Screen Resolution what size your screen currently is in pixels. You can see that my display will hold 1,680 pixels horizontally and 1,050 pixels vertically. Most of the computers on campus, in the classrooms and computer labs, are set to 1024 by 768, meaning that an image that is larger than that will not fit on the screen. But why not use the zoom out option, someone might say? This would work and would allow you to fit the image on the screen. However, another thing to understand about images is that each of those pixels also takes up room on the hard drive. No matter how you resize the image, zoom it in or zoom it out, squishing those pixels onto the screen won't change the fact that they're on the disk taking up space. Also, in many web browsers that people use to access your course shell, there is no zoom out option. It just isn't there. No, in order to reduce the amount of space that image occupies on the computer, you'll have to get rid of some of those pixels. In the next video, we'll discuss a few options for doing this.